It is a teacher's responsibility to see if a child has understood all the letter sounds. And we will be solving a worksheet today which has many letters in it, and a child will have to form words. And this is the worksheet which was shown in one of our previous videos. To solve this worksheet, a child will first have to see what the picture is. So in this worksheet, let's start with the first one. This is a cat. So he will have to break a word in his mind, and he will then know that it is cat. So he is going to select k from this column, a from this column, and t from this column, and he'll have a word cat, and he'll write down the same. Then he'll move to the second one, which is a bus. Bus. Then he knows to follow the same procedure, and he'll be striking over here bus. And for your reference, this is going to be a sun, dog, dog.